I don't know about you, Shane, but after having a couple brewskis at Cape Brewing Company, I need some lunch.
So we headed to the Wildwood Boardwalk to get some grub.
It turns out this beach town hosts a yearly summer pizza debate against who has the best pie, Mack's or Sam's.
Mack's Pizza.
It's 10 times better at Sam's.
Bill and I wanted to settle it once and for all.
You've had pizza before, right?
Of course.
Most people we talked to narrowed it down.
Mack's.
But I really did like Sam's.
First up, Sam's, where we met up with manager Tony Fusilaro.
But what makes Sam's Pizza so good?
I think that for some people, it's the crust. A lot of people say it's our sauce.
This popular pizza palace has been serving it piping hot since 1957.
How many pizzas do you think you pretty much go through, like in a
It's hard to tell how many slices we go through and pies we go through a day. Well, believe it or not, we open President's Weekend in February. And from the minute we open our doors, we're busy that entire weekend.
Here we go.
Cheers.
And it's finally time
This is crazy.
to get tasted.
Sauce is really sweet. The crust is crispy, right on the bottom. And the cheese, well,
Can't go wrong with that.
perfect.
Now Mack's is almost at the other end of the boardwalk.
We're the only ones on the tram car.
So we hitched a ride on another Wildwood staple.
Watch the tram car, please.
We transport hundreds of thousands of people every season. The most notable thing being the voice box, the Watch the Tram car. Last summer, we celebrated our 75th anniversary.
How's it looking?
Looks good.
Manager Pete Reese opened Mack's a little early just for us to try theirs.
Well, how would you describe the sauce? How would you describe the overall flavor, what's going in the mouth?
The Mack family perfected the recipe. It's secret. Our dough crisps up and stays nice and thin. It's a Mack specialty, and our cheese blend is very unique.
For Mack's, it's about tradition.
We have families that have been coming here for generations. Now that I've been here a while, hey, you served me when I was a little kid, and get the grandparents have 3 and 4 generations come every year.
Oh my.
The #1 pizza is plain.
It's finally time.
Initially, I'm a folder.
Get more pizza in our bellies.
Excellent.
This is as classic as pizza gets right here.
For those who think pizza is pretty much the same anywhere you go,
It's not.
it's not.
You know, Shane, I cannot decide which one I like the best.
No, they're both incredible pizzas. Mack's, Sam's Mack's. Doesn't make a difference to me.
Oh my God, the fight still goes on. Oh.
Knock it off.
Now, Sam's and Mack's both say there isn't any real debate or rivalry amongst themselves, and there is plenty of room on the boardwalk for every pizza shop.